Imagine a world where AI doesn't just predict the next word, but understands the meaning behind every sentence, every emotion, every subtle nuance of human thought. That's not science fiction. It's the frontier of modern artificial intelligence, and at its core lies a revolutionary architecture, the transformer. For decades, language models were built on recurrent neural networks, RNNs, LSTMs, systems that process text one word at a time, sequentially. They were good but slow, and as sentences grew longer, they struggled to remember what came earlier. A single missing context could unravel an entire interpretation. Then came the transformer in 2017, introduced in the paper Attention is All You Need, and everything changed. The key innovation. Instead of processing words in order, the transformer looks at the entire sentence at once. It uses a mechanism called self-attention, which allows every word to dynamically relate to every other word in the sentence, weighted by relevance. This isn't just faster, it's smarter. Let's break it down. When you see the sentence, the cat sat on the mat. It was warm. A traditional RNN would process the cat sat on the mat first, then it was warm, and try to link them later. But the transformer sees both sentences together. It asks which word is it referring to. And through self-attention, it assigns high relevance between it and cat, because that's the most logical antecedent. It's like giving every word a spotlight, and the brightness of that spotlight depends on how important that word is to the others. This is powered by three core components: queries, keys, and values. Think of it like a search system. The query is what you're looking for, say, the word it. The keys are all the other words in the sentence: cat, sat, mat, and each one has a unique signature. The model computes how well each key matches the query. The higher the match, the more attention it gets. Then the values, what each word actually means, are pulled in proportion to that attention score. The final output is a weighted sum of values, capturing the most relevant meaning. This mechanism isn't just for language. It's scalable, parallelizable, and infinitely adaptable. That's why it became the foundation of models like BERT, GPT, T5, and beyond. But here's where it gets even deeper. The transformer doesn't just understand language, it learns structure. It captures syntactic relationships, semantic meaning, even long-range dependencies. A sentence like, "The man who had been waiting for 2 hours finally left the station after the train was delayed." A RNN might lose track of the man by the end. But the transformer, with its global view, can still connect the dots. And because the attention mechanism is differentiable, the entire model can be trained end-to-end using backpropagation. That means it learns not just what to predict, but how to attend to the right parts of the input, automatically discovering patterns in data that would take years for a human to codify. The transformer also scales beautifully. More data, more parameters, more layers. The architecture handles it. This is why models like GPT-3, with 175 billion parameters, are possible. They're not just bigger, they're fundamentally more capable, because the self-attention mechanism allows them to model complex relationships across vast amounts of text. But it's not without trade-offs. The quadratic complexity of self-attention, O(n)(2) in sequence length, means that processing very long documents becomes computationally expensive. That's why researchers are now exploring sparse attention, linear attention, and hybrid architectures that preserve the power of transformers while cutting costs. Still, the impact is undeniable. Transformers are the backbone of today's most powerful AI systems. They power search engines, translation tools, code assistants, medical diagnostics, and even creative writing. They've transformed how we interact with machines, not just by understanding language, but by reasoning through it. So the next time you ask an AI a question and get a thoughtful response, remember, you're not just talking to a pattern matcher. You're interacting with a system that's learned to attend, to focus, to connect, to understand, just like a human brain does when it reads a sentence. The transformer didn't just change AI. It redefined what's possible. And the best part, we're only just beginning to unlock its full potential.